Well, last month, Vantage went public on NYSE American, the NYSE small cap equity market. And today, the company rang the opening bell. We saw them earlier. Ashley Mastronardi is down on the trading floor with more. Ashley, it's great to see you, and quite a celebration that we have in store.
It's always a celebration on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. You may be thinking, what is Shipbroking? Here to break that down for us is the company's CEO and chair, Andre DiRosario. Welcome to the New York Stock Exchange.
Glad to have, thank you for having us here. Well, what is Shipbroking? It's actually a very niche business. We actually work as an intermediary between oil companies, traders, ship owners, and ship operators. Just manage logistics from A to B. For example, if Chevron or Exxon wants to move 30,000 tons of diesel from Asia to Houston, for example, we're the ones who actually negotiate the contract, fix the freight, and then manage the logistics from A to B.
So you're the middleman between these oil companies and these ships?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, so congratulations on your recent IPO. How do you plan to allocate these funds?
So we have a very strong presence in Asia, and we've actually managed to establish ourselves well. We actually thought it would be a very good idea to IPO on this beautiful exchange, just to get a brand image across globally and use the funds to expand internationally with this.
So why did you decide to get into shipbroking, and what excites you about it?
Shipbroking it's not actually a job. I think it's a lifestyle. You spend not just one day, 1 hour, but a whole time of like years and years building up to actually become good at what you do. And I'm very glad that it's actually coming out in the open, because most of us are actually in the back rooms doing our job. But this is the first time we can actually show ourselves on the global stage, and I'm very happy about that.
Take me through like a typical day, like what goes on and how do your operations run?
So shipbroking is not just one person broking deals. It's probably, in our company, I have almost 60 people broking different segments of the market. So each broker is actually a specialist in their own right. We divide it regionally and also route-based, like suppose a broker is controlling South America, they'll be executing all the deals for South America. So it's a lot of specialization goes into it, and a great amount of teamwork talking between the groups and the research department as well.
I would imagine that your employees and yourself must have to know a lot about the regulatory environment around these shipments. What does that look like?
So basically, oil and gas is a very big part of the global trade, and we are very glad that we are a part of it. We actually do a lot of the shipments for Asia, and the regulatory framework doesn't actually kick in that much on the day-to-day basis, but it's on the forward-looking statements, which we actually look at how to advise our clients. That's basically where we have a lot of work to do.
And I know that you have 57 employees in Singapore, and we here at the New York Stock Exchange are celebrating Singapore's 60th anniversary. How do you feel about that?
I mean, I picked the day for that because Singapore's 60th anniversary is tomorrow, and in Asian culture, 8 is a very lucky number. So 8th of August seemed only fitting.
So what is next for your company with this recent IPO?
So as per what we mentioned in the F20, we're basically trying to use the funds for global expansion, also interregionally, like expanding to bolster our capabilities within the Asian region as well. We're also using a small percentage of our funds to improve our IT infrastructure, which we've been investing quite a fair bit on as well.
Andre DiRosario from Vantage, thank you so much for joining us at the New York Stock Exchange. Kristen, such an exciting moment for this company. They chose the lucky number 8 to ring the bell on August 8th, and it's in conjunction with Singapore's 60th anniversary. Back to you.